Yeah. Thumbnail. Welcome to a native meadow. Yeah, we can do better for meadows.
Yeah. Well, my cousin calls me Thumbelina, but you keep calling me Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Well, there's a thumb involved.
Yeah.
Look at all the snow.
I mean, it looks like a postcard. It's a bit
Yeah.
in the tree.
Just here, right here,
Yeah.
with the buildings.
Yeah.
Welcome to New York in winter.
Hear the birds of prey.
Yeah. Alright, it's clean, fairly safe. Can't ask for much more than that.
Someone's gone around and actually sorted a path.
Yeah. Oh, someone's gonna fall. Yeah, let's not go up that path, shall we?
Why not?
Willowdale Arch.
Willowdale Arch. It didn't say posh enough then.
Oh, Willowdale Arch.
Oh, there we go.
Is that posh enough for you?
There you go.
Oh, Willowdale.
It isn't
Doesn't
saying
it
it's
look like
posh
little-
enough for governor.
You look like little seats, look. Little fountain there.
It smells like
Well,
something
that's not a
else.
fountain, that's basically a house.
Yeah. Pow, 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 pow. And we need to loop around here.
Right turn.
Left turn, actually.
Oh, I think it's over there, isn't it? Well, let's face it, your sense of direction's crap.
No, it's better than yours.
Not.
We need to go over there. It's there.
Oh, right, the way I just said.
Over there. You said over there. I have it on camera. And you bullshit me. I got a camera.
So what? It's a GoPro, hardly.
What are you saying about my GoPro?
I'm saying it's splendid.
There you go. Correct answer. Yeah, it's really lovely here with the snow, of the green leaves and whatever in summer.
Green leaves, I was
Yes.
going to say.
It's all the greenery is quite amazing.
You've got quite an imagination.
I
You
do.
see green leaves. Oh, here we are again.
Yeah. Why don't you check on the map where the carousel is?
I should imagine it's straight on.
You reckon? Should we take your
Sense of direction.
Columbus?
Okay, straight on.
Alright, Columbus, let's go. You may yet find the West Indies.
Okay. You're straight on and just to the right, I reckon.
You reckon, Governor?
I do. And do you want to know why?
Why?
See the bloody roof of it?
I think that's a chess place.
Well, it was to the right of it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Over there.
I'll find a chess place if I can find the other thing. So I concede you may have some logic there.
Okay.
Not a lot.
You can see down right.
No, I concede that you may have a point
Okay.
eventually. I won't concede that you're right. Look at this. It's like a winter wonderland. It smells of cinnamon buns.
Yeah, like Dunkin' Donuts
Yeah.
or roast chestnuts.
No, Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts is better.
There are volleyball nets over there.
Yeah. You're squinting. Why haven't you got your sunglasses on? And you start wearing them on your chest.
They look cooler on my chest.
Do they?
Yeah.
Okay.